I've already listed to you a number of issues on which the Congress appears confused, if not ideologically compromised.
I think I will be allowed to speak because what I'm going to say you will not like it. Defending government blindly day in and day out and spreading pathological hatred against the opposition political parties is a perfect template for authoritarianism and dictatorship in this country. I think people are doing more disservice to the democracy in this country, and those who claim that others are coward, they've forgotten their history, that how their chiefs had written letters of forgiveness, and they were praising Mrs. Indira Gandhi when emergency was there. Now they are talking about the cowardice. These are the cowards. Basically, these are the cowards. These are the people who like to finish democracy in this country. These are the anchors and the TV channels who spread day in, day out pathological hatred against opposition. There cannot be more disservice to the democracy than this.
Ashutosh, thank you for all of that. Democracy is very much alive. Look at the platform he gets to reach millions of people and spread all sorts of calumny on national television. If you had a substantive point, can you explain to me on love jihad? Let me ask you, sir, you're talking about hate. Why does the Congress back 30-day notification clause for conversion in Rajasthan? Why does the Congress Chief Minister file cases of sedition against some of his own party members? Can you answer these questions? No, you first answer these questions. If the Congress is such a defender of democratic values, then have the guts, Ashutosh, to call out the Congress for filing sedition cases. Have the guts for going after the Congress to call in the Supreme Court individuals that you call are activists, urban naxals. Have the guts. Don't become a Gandhi journalist of Gandhi clan. Don't become the Gandhi journalist of a Gandhi clan. Now, I want to ask you, you debate with me. Let's ask you this question. On love jihad, which you believe is a fiction.
But the biggest enemy of this
Ashutosh, you tell me something. You believe love jihad is a fiction? Is it a fiction? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Enemy of democracy in this country.
Listen. Ashutosh, is love jihad a fiction? Yes or no?
Rahul Shivshankar,
is it a fiction?
You should do homework.
Is it a fiction? Is love jihad a fiction? I'm asking you, is love jihad a fiction?
You should read. You should do homework.
Is love jihad a fiction?
I can't help it. If you're so illiterate about facts, I can't help it.
I'm asking you, take a position. Is love jihad a fiction?
I can't help it.
Is love jihad a fiction?
I'm saying if you're illiterate about facts, I can't help it.
Can I ask you a question? Is love jihad a fiction? Look at this individual stonewalling viewers. If he's done so much research, he should be able to come out and tell you whether love jihad is a fiction or not. I'm asking, sir, I'm asking the real doctor on this panel. I'm asking the real doctor on this panel, not a spin doctor. So let me go back to Dr. Anand Ranganathan. What do you make of this, Dr. Anand Ranganathan? Mr. Ashutosh's great, I don't know what to call it, but let's for a moment call it a rant, for the lack of a better word. Rant about democratic freedoms in this country and how people are compromising them. And he has staged a walkout, by the way. He's
Rahul,
disconnected and run away.
Correct you. I think the real doctor on the...
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No,
He's
but
disconnected himself.
Just if I may please correct you, I think the real doctor is on this panel is Dr. Sumant Raman. He is the medical doctor. I am the Ghoda doctor. I'm just a PhD. I'm just a scientist. So the real doctor is Dr. Sumant Raman. But I mean, I'm glad in a way that Ashutosh has left the panel because he completely, derailed the debate. The debate was on something else. And his rant was totally uncalled for, especially because he was a journalist in the time when the most draconian laws were passed, when hundreds, if not thousands of people were illegally punished, jailed, sacked, and freedom of expression was brutally stamped upon. He was a journalist then. So let's go away from what Ashutosh was discussing. उनको dawa की नहीं दुआ की भी ज़रूरत है. But if I can bring back the discussion, because it was a very wonderful discussion you were having, and you also talked about if Congress is Andolan GV, the Congress alleged that is BJP crony GV. And you gave a few examples, but if you allow me to disagree a little, I